In this meditation, we're going to focus on the word Concordia, the Latin word for harmony and unity. Find a comfortable position, gently close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any tension or discord within, allowing yourself to embrace this moment of unity and peace. Let us focus on our breath. Notice the gentle rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. A natural flow that connects you to the essence of harmony within. With each breath, feel a sense of oneness and interconnectedness with the world around you. Like a symphony, you are a vital part of the universal orchestra, contributing your unique melody to the tapestry of life. And as you continue to focus on your breath, bring your attention to your heart center. This is the seat of compassion and understanding, the source of love that unites all beings. Visualize a soft, radiant light emanating from your heart, symbolizing the essence of Concordia. This light expands with every breath, embracing every corner of your being. Now envision this light extending beyond yourself, reaching out to touch the hearts of others. See the web of interconnectedness forming, uniting all beings in this shared experience of life. In this space of unity, reflect on any conflicts or disharmony that you may have experienced recently. Approach these situations with an open heart and a willingness to understand. Embrace the power of forgiveness and compassion, knowing that when you find harmony within ourselves, we contribute to the harmony of the world. As we continue to focus on the breath, imagine the ripple effect of unity and harmony spreading throughout the world. See hearts opening, souls connecting, and understanding prevailing over division. Know that every small act of kindness and compassion contributes to the grand symphony of Concordia that resonates within and around us. this space of oneness, take a moment to express gratitude for the gift of unity. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to a heart full of love and harmony. Feel the power of gratitude filling your heart, radiating outward and touching the lives of those around you. And as we conclude this meditation, gently bring your awareness back to your breath in the present moment. Feel the harmony within you and the unity that connects you to all living beings. Carry the essence of Concordia with you, knowing that you have the power to contribute to a world of harmony and understanding. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling aligned with the universal symphony of Concordia and ready to spread harmony wherever you go.